After a period of relative calm, fresh firing and shelling at Torbung Mamang Lekai in Bishnupur district on Tuesday night threatened to reignite fears of renewed violence in the state. Shamsundar Oinam, identified as the last remaining Meitei resident of Torbung Mamang Lekai, said the incident occurred at around 8:45 p.m. while his family was having dinner. According to him, continuous firing lasted for over 20 minutes, during which heavy weapons including RPGs and 81mm mortars were used. He claimed that around 7 to 8 mortar rounds were fired, forcing the family to take cover as the attack intensified. Following the incident, a group of local villagers visited Phugakchou Lekai police station and appealed for adequate and sustained security in the region. During the visit, the villagers met Inspector General of Police Rakesh Bawal and Bishnupur District Superintendent of Police Shankar Deva. The residents held a lengthy meeting with the senior police officials, during which they narrated their trauma, security concerns and continued discomfort in returning to normal life.
आपका नाम बताइए।
तोरबुंग का वो नाम अपर्णा, वार्ड नंबर 4।
और ये घटना जो है कल शाम को कितने बजे हुआ और किस तरह से हुआ ये बताइए।
सर ये हुआ जो 8:30 बजे हुआ था, तो हम लोग इधर में खाना खा रहे थे। उसके बाद में हम लोग बच्चे फैमिली सब लोग हमारे साथ खाना खा रहे थे। उसके बाद में फायरिंग चल रहा था, तो उसी समय जब फायरिंग चला था तो हम लोग सोचा था कि 2-3 बार होके उसके बाद में खत्म हो जाएगा बोल के सोचा था। बाद में फिर बॉम्ब फेंका और फायरिंग चल रहा था। इतना सारा हुआ था, पर कुकी लोग तो इतना हल्ला ही मचा रहा था सर।
और तकरीबन कितने बजे तक ये गोलीबारी चली?
सर ये सर 8:30 बजे, थोड़ा ऊपर तो ऐसे हो सकता है सर।
हाँ, और आप लोगों को किस तरह की मतलब भावना हुई, क्या लगा आप लोगों को, कितना डरावना था, वो सब बताइए।
सर डरवा तो वो बहुत ज्यादा हुआ था, मतलब कि जो क्योंकि 3 तारीख को जब शुरू हुआ था, मैं घर में थी और बच्चे लोग सब इधर में घर के जब पीछे वाला गांव का जब घर जला गया तो सब फोन उधर में जब जल के इधर में आया, सब सामान लेके कुछ सामान बचा था वो बचा लेके आया था। बस उसी समय सब भागते रहे मेरे आंखों के सामने भागा था सर। सरकार लोग ये क्या कर रहे हैं पता नहीं, इतने साल हो रहा है अभी तक ठीक से नहीं देख रहा है, पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है सर।
ये सरकार की द्वारा जो बयान दिया गया है कि कुछ रिलीफ कैंप में रहने वाला आईडीपी लोग जो है रीसेटल किया गया, ये कितना सही है और कितना गलत है?
सर ये तो थोड़ा मतलब कि थोड़ा सही भी है, थोड़ा भी गलत भी है। फिर भी ना हम लोग ने जो बोलता है ना सर, ये जो हम लोग जो बोल रहे हैं, तो ये जो रिलीफ कैंप में जो रहता है, जो रिलीफ कैंप में जो रह रहा है अभी, जो क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग आर्मी, जो हमारा दीदी लोग भी है उधर, सब फैमिली सब घर का चुचानपुर का भी है, बंगला भी के गोविंदपुर, ये तोरबुंग जो मनिंग लकाई भी है, सब लोग इधर में रिलीफ कैंप में इतना कष्ट से रहा है। सरकार लोग अभी क्या कर रहा है पता नहीं सर। हर सन मतलब कि हर महीना में पैसा थोड़ा डाल रहा है, ये पैसा से जिंदगी की नहीं बिता नहीं सकता है सर। तो इसी वजह से हम लोग को सरकार, हम लोग जगह जमीन है उसको हम लोग चाहिए बस।
सुरक्षा के हिसाब से आप लोग कितने सुरक्षा फील कर रहे हैं अभी, ये बताइए।
सर जो हम लोग को जो इधर में है, हमारे गांव में जो है इधर में जो सीआरपी वाला भी है, आर्मी वाला भी हम लोग को बहुत सपोर्ट करता है। फिर भी ना हम लोग सपोर्ट करता है, फिर भी ये घर जो जल गया है, इन लोग तो थोड़ा आने के लिए मन करता है। जो घर जल गया बना के तो थोड़ा ठीक ठाक करके थोड़ा आ सके तो बोलते, दिल में बहुत रोता है। जो हमारा नानी लोग भी है, दीदी लोग भी है, सब रोता है। फिर भी क्या कर सकता है, सरकार का ऑर्डर नहीं है बोल के बस ऐसे ठहरा है।
कोई सरकार से आप लोग कोई अपील वगैरह करना चाहिए, क्या कहना चाहती है आप?
सर अपील तो मैंने एक बार मैं सरकार के पास जाके भी किया था और सरकार ने बोला था कि हमारे गांव में बस बोल रहा कि 50 लोग हमारे तोरबुंग गांव में आ रहा है, वो ऐसे बोल रहा था। तो मैं जब सरकार से मिल के आया तो उसके बाद में आके तो देखा ना जब सरकार ने 50 लोग इधर में आया है बोल के ऑर्डर दे दिया बोल के बोला था, तो उसके मैं इधर में आके देखा तो कोई भी नहीं, पूरा सुनसान है। बस हमारी फैमिली और जो हमारे गाँव लोग का थोड़ा लड़का लोग रहता है वो हम लोग के साथ रहता है बस।
तो आप लोग का घर जो है वो आखिरी मैतेई फैमिली है वो?
हाँ हम लोग आखिरी है, पर बॉर्डर में भी हमारा लास्ट भी है और पीछे का भी सामने का भी हमारा लास्ट है सर।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी। आपका क्या नाम है बताइए?
श्यामसुंदर ओइनाम नाम है।
श्यामसुंदर ओइनाम है। और इस जगह का क्या नाम है?
तोरबुंग मामांग लेकै।
और कल शाम को कितने बजे तकरीबन ये घटना हुआ था?
ये 8:45 उसी टाइम से इलोनी फायर।
तो आपने ये बताया कि आपका जो घर है ये लास्ट मैतेई घर है अभी के लिए।
हाँ।
तो अभी कल से जिस तरह से गोलीबारी भी हुआ है तो आप भी परेशान होगी, आपके घर वाले भी परेशान होगी, तो आप सरकार से क्या कहना चाहती है?
हर बार बोला है कि मैंने बोला जो सर पहले जो हो चुका है हो गया, जो अभी जो रह गया अभी तो इसको आशा से आप लोगों ने जो ड्यूटी के लिए प्रोटेक्शन के लिए आप लोगों ने जितना जो फौजी लोग भेजा है और जहाँ में जो आप लोग सिक्योरिटी रखा है तो इसको सही सलामत लोग को ड्यूटी करने दो, जो रहेगा इसको सेफ्टी ही रहने दो, 2 बार नहीं होने के लिए नहीं देना बोल के बताया था मैंने। तो वो लोगों ने भी बोला भरोसा से, उन्होंने बोला ठीक है हाँ ये करूँगा, ऐसा से हम लोग ड्यूटी करूँगा, लेकिन आप लोग ने भी थोड़ा हम लोग को भी सहायता, हम लोग की मदद करो, हम लोग भी करेगा बोल के बताया। लेकिन फिर तो कल जैसे फिर ऐसे वहाँ पे हो गया। तो
After a report of repeated violence last night here in Torbung Mamang Lekai, some suspected miscreants elements fire upon this Maite village here at Torbung Mamang Lekai. The team of police personnel and security personnel are right now inquiring here at Torbung Mamang Lekai. The situation remains critical. The family members said even RPGs have been fallen here, right in front of the homes. This is Torbung Mamang Lekai, and from here onward, Kuki settlement are here, and from there onward, Meitei settlement are here. So the situation remains critical right now here at Torbung Mamang Lekai. This is Mubasir Razi reporting for Hornbill TV.
Over the incident, Kokomi convener Khurai Jamathova on Tuesday strongly condemned the armed firing and bombing incident at Torbung in Bishnupur district, terming it a grave violation of constitutional rights and a serious threat to civilian safety. Athauba said such acts directly violate the right to life and personal liberty guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution and undermining constitutional governance, public order and social harmony.
Now, to the disappointment of the government effort to resettle IDPs in the area, last night some unfortunate incident happened where a number of bullets have been fired upon. What is the assessment at the moment?
Yesterday we were here in the morning, visiting the houses where the recent process of resettlement took place, and we have even met with many of the local villagers who are very happy because they have been given an opportunity to return back to their respective homes, to their birthplaces after 2 years 7 months of time, 30 months of time, and this is a very important day for the villagers. However, to our utter surprise, it was very unfortunate that certain suspected Kuki groups holding automatic rifles and even bombing the resident area where the new resettlements were happening, such kind of action should not be tolerated by the state administration and the state government at any cost. We have been informed that this attack has been carried out from Kangbai area where there is a church complex, and that area is also quite in a proximity to security barrack areas. So we want the state police enforcement agency to take stringent action to track down all those terror groups who are terrorizing the innocent civilians who wants to return back to their respective homes. And above that, today we have met with the Superintendent of Police of Bishnupur districts, and in that meeting we have briefed on all the situations over here. And above that, we have also submitted a complaint against Kuki Jo Council, who have today early morning issued a statement justifying that terror act which is against the idea of restoring peace and normalcy in the state of Manipur. And such statement issued by the Kuki Jo Council should not be accepted, and they should be banned. This organization should be banned because they have openly justified such kind of terror attack, and this cannot be tolerated by the state administration. And we want the state administration to take stringent action against the responsible person who issued the statement, namely Mr. Ginja Valjong, who used to be the spokesperson of ITLF earlier, and he is responsible for issuing this statement, and the organization itself has to be banned by the state government. Otherwise, if the government fails to take legal action against the organization as well as the responsible person who is issuing the statement, we will consider that the state government has endorsed and indirectly supported those terror groups as well as those organizations who are justifying and supporting the terror act, and it cannot be tolerated. However, we also want to appeal to the villagers of Torbung and Phabalchau Ikai that our process of resettlement should continue. Such kind of terror ambush should not should not demoralize our right to go back to our home, and we will be supporting. Kokomi will extend all necessary supports and security arrangements. We will be meeting with the DGP after we return from here. We will also be meeting with the security advisor to increase the deployment of security forces, as well as we want the area the suspected area from where the attack has carried out should be sanitized, and necessary suspected terror groups should be neutralized at the earliest. This is our demand.
Meanwhile, the incident has drawn strong condemnation from the National People's Party, which denounced the firing and appealed for restraint, urging the people of Manipur to give peace a chance. NPP National Vice President I. Hemochandra, Manipur NPP President Dr. Loro S. Foze, and NPP leader of the Legislative Party and MLA M. Ramesh were termed the firing unfortunate and disturbing. The party urged all sections of society to refrain from violence and allow ongoing efforts aimed at restoring peace and normalcy in the state to continue without disruption. Meanwhile, authorities said the situation in Bishnupur district remains calm but tense, with security forces maintaining a close watch in the affected areas.
Okay. Sir, particularly regarding the yesterday incident which was took place near Torbung or Kambai within Bishnupur district, we had heard that there is lots of firing took place yesterday. So as of now, what's your reaction from your party side?
See, in the first place, there was a time when we thought that peace was coming. For almost a year or so, there has been a period of lull. There was no violence, and then people were all looking forward to the formation of a government, at the same time to return to their own places. Yes, everyone wants to go back to their own places. We encourage that. But in the meantime, we have experienced a moment of peace, whereas deep inside there was anguish. There was a period when there was fear. In spite of the fact that many people want to go back to their own homes, there was hesitation. And so this is a period when the public or all communities, including all organizations, must be involved in creating a conducive atmosphere. And I think we had expected that this would happen, but suddenly, unexpectedly, out of the blue, the violence, the whatever gunfire or whatever violence started. And I think it is most condemnable. My party, the National People's Party, had advocated for a period of peace to return back to Manipur. And I think the leadership in the party has always advocated that we as a party must recognize the vision and the aspiration of each community. They must have a place. Unless they are given a place, when somebody wants to dominate over others, it also creates a bad impression, a bad atmosphere. And so I think we must be generous in our heart. Let us accommodate one another, and let us give up violence, because violence will only invite another period of violence again. And I think that would be very unfortunate. The state of Manipur is so beautiful, and it had grown, from the period of insignificance to a period when we were able to host even the most desirable, beauty pageant in Manipur. And so we thought that peace was returning, development was coming back. It is very unfortunate that our people, not everyone thinks that peace is necessary. That is unfortunate. We condemn such attitude. Let us once again give peace a chance, that this period when we have the Christmas season coming, the Prince of Peace, he is there and he will bring peace on earth. And the role that you and I should play is to give goodwill toward men. We as different communities, we must have goodwill one towards another, and that alone will bring peace to our land. Thank you.
So yesterday's unfortunate incident was occurred the very next day of the high